What's the meaning of coon? Coon. Coon.
Coon. Coon. The term coon is a derogatory racial slur used to refer to black people. It has been historically used to dehumanize and stereotype black people as subhuman or animalistic. The word originated from the word raccoon, which was used to describe black people during slavery as they were perceived to have physical similarities to the animal. The use of this term is widely considered offensive and should be avoided in all circumstances. It is important to recognize and challenge any language that reinforces racial stereotypes and discrimination.